Good afternoon, guys. So this afternoon I will not be here. I will be out. So I'm going to go over what you're going to do for math. So you're going to find your math activity and classwork under April 19th through the 23rd. You're going to find Wednesday math and click on the assignment. It's going to be a Nearpod about area. So you're going to log in with Google. You're going to go through and complete the Nearpod on area, okay? It's going to start off with a video, and the video is interactive, so it's going to stop at points and ask you questions or open-ended responses where you're going to have to type your response. So you're going to watch the video and complete the activities within the video. So please make sure, guys, you do not skip this video and go to the next activity. Please watch the entire video and complete the interactive activities within the video. When you're done watching the video, see, oops, you can't go to the next slide. But the next activity is when you're done, you're going to go through and do some vocab and some other activities within the Nearpod. Once you've fully completed the Nearpod, you're going to turn it in Google Classroom. Then you're going to work on your math choice board. So today for Wednesday, you're going to complete 20 minutes of Khan Academy. Then you're going to complete the Kahoot, all right? Once you've completed the 20 minutes of Khan Academy and the Kahoot, you're going to put an X on both, all right? Then make sure you complete any other assignments that maybe you didn't have time to finish earlier this morning, all right? I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow and enjoy your afternoon. Bye.